Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we get started on what's going to be a breezy and chilly Friday, and that's going to set us up for another cold night tonight into early tomorrow morning. Many of us are going to see those temperatures have to fight their way to get back to the mid-50s. That breeze will make it feel a little bit cooler all day, and then tonight temperatures are going to drop. I think we could end up someplace down close to freezing or even just a little bit below freezing tomorrow morning. So another frosty start expected. This is temporary, but it certainly is going to feel a little extra cold outside. Some of the showers, and they weren't very much, didn't amount to a lot of rain yesterday, but maybe a couple of slippery road surfaces. Those are moving off to the east. The clouds are going with them. And today is going to be about the return to the drier air, the sunshine, but it's cooler air. So we had warmer conditions yesterday, and we will likely have cooler conditions today and tomorrow before things hopefully start to warm up again on Sunday. And that warm up should be a little bit longer lasting with a few other little differences coming our way, namely some real chances for some real rain, I think, by the middle of next week. Now we're down to 39 already in Thomasville. It's 46 in Tallahassee and in Valdosta. There's a pretty good breeze out of the north, which will make it feel, 3 or 4 degrees cooler than it is. We'll look at a few more temperatures and going to notice still 50s to the south and east. Lots of mid-30s to the north and west. Blakely's down to 34 already. Dothan, Alabama's down to 35. But in Perry, we're at 52. In Cross City, it's 57 this morning. We'll talk about that breeze, which will be from the north and likely in that 5 to 15 mile per hour range all day. And that is going to make it feel several degrees cooler. In Blakely, it feels like it's down to 29. In Tallahassee, it feels like it's down to 42. In Thomasville, it feels like it's down to 36. So we're talking 3, 4, 5 degree wind chill. And I think that's going to stick around throughout the day today. So it is going to be a bundle them up kind of Friday. I don't see a lot of change over the next 48 hours. I think we have to get to Sunday afternoon first for the winds to shift direction, and that'll be when higher pressure crests overhead and starts moving off to the east. As we turn those winds back around, the quick cool down ends, and we start to bring back some of the warmer air. The next energy coming from a very similar place as this last one was coming from, I think it's going to have a little bit more time and going to have a little bit more support to scoop up more tropical moisture, or at least more Gulf moisture, and that all should contribute to a much better chance for a decent round of rain, maybe a couple of decent rounds of rain by like Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. So we'll be watching for things over the next 5, 6, 7 days, and of course we'll be updating for you, so keep checking in with us. The Futurecast for today keeps that breeze from the north. It should relax a bit tonight, and with the clear skies and with the dry air, that's that right condition for that radiational cooling. That's why we think tomorrow morning we'll see some of those spots that get below freezing. We get into Sunday, and still maybe another cool start, but those winds start to turn around. We start to bring back some clouds on Monday. I don't think we're talking rain chances just yet, but as we get to Tuesday and for most of our area, probably Wednesday, that's when that next energy gets here. That's when all that moisture gets here, and that's when we have our next best chance for a real soaking, not just a couple of scattered showers. We could get a couple of inches worth of rain when all is said and done, but of course that's 5, 6 days down the road. We got plenty of time to fine tune that for you. On the Gulf today, north and northeast winds 10 to 20, so definitely a little bit breezy out there. Seas 2 to 4 feet and a moderate chop in the protected waters. We'll do 30s and 40s this morning. Still have a couple of 50s, but even when it's up over 50, it's going to feel like it's in the 40s. And that wind chill is something we're going to deal with throughout the day. Lots of sunshine, but it's only going to warm us up into the lower and mid 50s. That's it. That breeze will make it feel a couple degrees cooler. Tonight is going to cool off in a hurry. Sunset time 5:37, so by 6 o'clock it's going to be getting cold fast. And I do expect to find a frosty start tomorrow. If you've got those early morning tea times, there may be some delays tomorrow morning. And as we look at the next 7 days, it does warm up a little bit better tomorrow afternoon, better still Sunday afternoon. I think quite a bit warmer by Monday and Tuesday with that next surge of warm and more humid air. But that's where those next rain chances come from. Right now it's feeling like Wednesday is our best opportunity.